Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can voice text on your iPhone device. So when it comes to doing voice texts on your iPhone, there are kind of two ways that you can go about doing this. And the first is voice to text transcription. So the microphone will record whatever you're saying, and then it will transcribe that into text. And alternatively, you can actually just record your voice and also send that as a message as well. So I'm going to be showing you all both of these methods in this video. So I've gone ahead and I've already opened up the Messages app on my iPhone. So the next thing I want to do is just go ahead and press the microphone down here on the bottom left hand corner. And if you're using an iPhone 10 or 11, the microphone might be down the bottom here. And this will be the transcription, so it will record my voice and then transcribe it into words. So I'll just go and do this now. Hey, exclamation mark. How are you? Question mark. Do you want to meet up later? Question mark. I hope you are doing well. So there you have it, guys. That's a really simple and easy way on how to transcribe your voice to a text. Now once you are done, you just want to go ahead and press the keyboard, which will bring you back to this screen. And as you may have heard while I was recording my voice, I was doing things such as exclamation mark and question mark, which Apple automatically receives, and then it transcribes that into that icon. Once I am done, I can just go ahead and press send. So another awesome way on how to voice text on your iPhone device is actually by sending a voice text in the app itself. So one of the best ways to do this is just to look out for this icon in the bar here. And if I want to go ahead and send a voice text, all I have to do is go ahead and press and hold this. And while I'm doing that, I just want to speak my message, and then it will automatically record that, and then I can go ahead and send it. So I'll do that now just to show you all. Hey, how are you going? Do you want to meet up later for a coffee? Hope you're doing well. Now, before I do send this, I can play it back just to make sure it's correct and maybe it sounds good. So I'll just play this now. Hey, how are you going? Do you want to meet up later for a coffee? Hope you're doing well. Now, if I want to re-record the message, I can just press the X, which will delete it, and then I can go ahead and record this again. Or alternatively, I can just go ahead and press the arrow, which will go ahead and send that message. So there you have it, guys. That's two awesome ways on how you can voice text on your iPhone device. So if you've come up with your own method or you've found another solution, please share it down below in the comment section, as you will be helping tons of other iPhone users out there. And also, if you'd like to see any other tech related or iPhone related videos, please also share your comments and thoughts down below as well. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.